Are you tired of sciatica, leg pain controlling your life? The constant burning, shooting pain, it can make even the simplest task feel impossible. But what if you could find relief without drugs or surgery? Chiropractic treatment offers a natural solution. In the video in the link below, I'll show you how targeted adjustments can correct the misalignments in your lower spine, sacrum, and pelvis, often the root cause of your sciatica. With over 24 years of experience, I've distilled this information in the video below. Click below to start the video now.